In this lesson, we're going to learn how to construct an angle 150 degrees as part of our continuation of our wire revision for those that are preparing for wire. So to construct angle 150 degree, we will do that in steps. First of all, we rule a straight line. Then this straight line will make a reference point on the straight line. The reference point is where we want the 150 rather degree to be. So with my ruler, I'm going to make a reference on this line. This is a reference line. Now with the steep point of the compass on that reference, I'm using a digital compass here. If you are using the real compass, the own is going to open and close like a scissors, whereas my own is straight line, kind of. So when I say steep point, I mean the metallic point of the compass, while the pencil point, I mean this part of the compass, that is the point where you have the real pencil on your compass. So with the steep point placed on the reference line, you may turn this compass so that I can have a clearer view of the steep point. Okay, that is it right there. We're going to make an arc. Now I'm decreasing my compass here. In your own case, you need to open it up since the compass in its natural state is closed. So you open your compass point, the pencil point, to a convenient radius. Then place the pencil point on the line that we drew earlier, this horizontal line. Place a pencil point on it and then make an arc like this. Okay? This arc that we made is, of course, 180 degrees, that is angle on a straight line. Now with the same radius that we use in making this arc, we take the steep point of the compass now to this point where the arc meets the line. Place the steep point there, and then let me shift it so I can have a clearer view. I'm going to divide this arc that I have made with this very compass. Make sure you do not close or open your compass. The same radius we use in making this arc. We're going to use that radius to cut this arc into three different divisions. This cut I cut here, if I join a line to it, that will give me 60 degrees. So if I make another cut there with the same radius of the compass, that is another 60 degrees. And the remaining one will be 60 degrees. Let's do that. So I will place the steep point here now, the steep point of the compass. You need to get a real compass and pull along if you really want to know this. You place the steep point of the compass where these two arcs meet and make another arc. I think I am there right now. Let's make another arc on this line. Make another arc. That is another 60. So 60, 60, 60. Of course, 60 times 3 is 180, which is the angle in a straight line. So now we want to construct angle 150. So if I add this 60 to this 60, that is 120. Therefore, for me to get 50, I will just bisect this remaining 60. So that when I bisect the remaining 60 rather, when I bisect this remaining 60, 60 by, when you bisect 60, give you 30. So 30 plus this 120 will give us the 150 that we need. So place a steep point here now. Want to bisect this remaining 60 here. Then we can extend the pencil points this time around so that the arc that I want to make can easily cut. So we'll make an arc here. I want to bisect this 60 degree. Make an arc. Then take the steep point to this place. Then let's cut this previous arc. Cut it. Now that we cut the arc, we can now join that point together to this reference point. Here with a ruler, we join that point. That is the point of intersection of this arc. We join it to this reference line. And that is it right there. To confirm it, we use a protractor and measure whether we actually have 150 degrees. And to use a protractor to measure an angle, this baseline on the protractor must rest on the baseline here, which is our reference line. Then this line, this vertical line on the protractor must also rest on this vertical line. And then we'll measure. You can see it there. Let's move it later. That is 150 degree.